Hello everyone, this is Fine from Awesome Tech Gaming Pro. I hope you all are well. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing two excellent mid to high-end TVs that are getting a lot of attention right now. The TCL C7K and the Hisense U8Q. If you are choosing between these two for movies, gaming or everyday viewing, you are in the right place. This isn't just a specification sheet battle. I am going to walk you through what actually matters in real-world viewing. From picture quality and brightness to gaming performance, smart features, audio and overall value. By the end of this video, you will know which TV deserves a spot in your living room. Let's start with the picture quality because that's the thing most people care about.
If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications and upcoming videos. I have another channel named Tech Gaming Villa where I upload similar kind of tech videos like TV comparison, sound system, home theater. You can check and subscribe.
The TCL C7K uses mini LED technology with local dimming, which helps it deliver deeper blacks and better contrast than standard LED TVs. The backlight is zoned intelligently, meaning dark scenes stay darker without losing detail, and highlights remain bright and punchy. On the other hand, the Hisense U8Q also uses mini LED with an advanced local dimming system, but it goes a step further with higher peak brightness and a wider color gamut thanks to its superior panel tuning and processing. In real life, both TVs look excellent, but the Hisense U8Q's picture feels more vibrant, especially in HDR content. Bright highlights on the Hisense U8Q really stand out, giving scenes more impact and realism compared to the TCL C7K. If you see the color accuracy, which is another area part of the viewing experience, and both of these TVs perform well here. TCL has improved its color processing in the C7K compared to older models, and the skin tones and natural hues look pleasing, but the Hisense U8Q tends to hold on to color saturation a bit better at high brightness levels. This means HDR movies, colorful animations, and nature documentaries look a touch more dynamic and deeper on the Hisense U8Q. The difference isn't massive, but if you love vibrant HDR content, you will likely prefer what the Hisense U8Q delivers. Motion handling is strong on both TVs, which is great for fast action, whether you are watching sports or action movies. TCL's processing keeps motion smooth and avoids the blur you sometimes see on budget sets, and Hisense's processing manages motion just as well, if not slightly better, with fewer artifacts and smoother panning. In daily viewing, you are unlikely to notice any distracting motion blur on either TV. Brightness is another area where these two TVs diverge. The Hisense U8Q typically reaches higher peak brightness in HDR, meaning bright highlights look more impactful. Sunshine, reflections, and glowing lights really pop. The TCL C7K is still bright enough for most living rooms and performs well during the day, but it doesn't quite reach the same level as the Hisense U8Q. If you have a well-lit room or watch TV in daylight often, the Hisense U8Q's brighter panel can be a real advantage. Let's talk gaming, because this is where many people make their final decision. The TCL C7K offers low input lag, good response times, and support for next-gen features like 4K at 120Hz and variable refresh rate. This makes it a capable choice for PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X users. Games feel smooth, responsive, and immersive. The Hisense U8Q also supports 4K at 120Hz and VRR, and it tends to deliver slightly better motion clarity and smoother handling at higher frame rates thanks to its advanced processing. Both TVs are gaming friendly, but hardcore gamers who want the crispest motion and responsiveness may lean toward the Hisense U8Q. Smart TV platforms matter too, and here you will notice some differences. The TCL C7K usually runs on Google TV or Roku TV depending on the region, offering a clean interface with access to all major streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more. Navigation is generally smooth, and voice assistants like Google Assistant or Roku Voice make searching easy. Hisense uses its own Vega Smart platform, which has improved significantly over the years. It's intuitive, easy to navigate, and surprisingly fast. You will find all the same apps, quick access to settings, and voice control support as well. Performance is fluid on both, and neither feels sluggish in everyday use. The choice really comes down to personal preference between platforms. Audio quality is another piece of the TV puzzle that many people often overlook. Neither the TCL C7K nor the Hisense U8Q is going to replace a good soundbar or home theater system, but both produce respectable sound for built-in speakers. Dialogue on the C7K comes through clearly, and the overall sound stage feels balanced or everyday viewing. The Hisense U8Q adds a bit more weight and depth to the audio, giving a slightly fuller sound that feels more immersive during movies or gaming. It's not a huge gap, but if you are not planning to buy external speakers right away, the Hisense U8Q's audio can feel a bit more satisfying out of the box. Now let's talk about one of the most important factors for most buyers: price and value. The TCL C7K generally sits at a more affordable price point than the Hisense U8Q, making it a compelling choice for those who want strong performance without stretching their budget too far. You get excellent picture quality, robust gaming features, and reliable everyday performance at a price that delivers a lot of value. The Hisense U8Q is typically more expensive, and that extra cost goes toward higher brightness, stronger HDR performance, and more vibrant colors, and slightly better motion processing. For people who want the best performance they can get in this price bracket and don't mind paying a bit extra, the Hisense U8Q justifies that price with visible improvements in key areas. For many others who want solid performance without premium pricing, the TCL C7K represents excellent value. So which one should you choose? If you want a bright, vibrant picture with strong HDR performance, excellent gaming features, and a slightly richer audio experience, and you are willing to pay a little more, the Hisense U8Q is the clear pick. But if you want very strong picture quality, reliable performance, and great gaming support at a more accessible price, the TCL C7K offers amazing value that's hard to ignore. Both TVs are excellent in their own right, and whichever you pick, you are getting a significant upgrade over standard LED TVs. To add one final thought before you decide, it's important to remember that both the TCL C7K and Hisense U8Q are excellent TVs for their price category, and neither is a wrong choice. The real difference comes down to priorities. The TCL C7K focuses on balance and value. It delivers solid mini LED contrast, smooth motion, good gaming features, and a reliable smart TV experience at a more budget-friendly price. It's the kind of TV that will satisfy most users without making them feel like they overspent. The Hisense U8Q, however, is the performance-driven option. Its higher brightness, stronger HDR impact, richer colors, and slightly better built-in audio make it feel more premium, especially for HDR movies, sports, and bright room viewing. So if you want maximum visual impact and don't mind paying a little extra, the Hisense U8Q is the better long-term investment. But if you are looking for the best value for money with very strong overall performance, the TCL C7K remains a smart and practical choice. At the end of the day, choose the TV that matches how you actually watch content, because that's what will make you happiest in the long run. Thanks for watching this comparison. If this helped you decide between the TCL C7K and Hisense U8Q, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more TV reviews, and comment below which one you would choose for your setup. I will see you in the next video.